Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Today we're at Disneyland and we're going to ride the Disneyland Railroad all the way around the park, doing the full circle tour of Disneyland. The park is decorated for Christmas and it's almost sunset, so it's sure to be a relaxing and gorgeous ride. But first, we have to decide which side to go to board the train. The first side didn't have anyone waiting, but the left side would give me a better view for the purposes of this video. So we went to that side. One note about the train station. This map shows you where the trains are currently located at Disneyland, so you can easily see how far away the next train is from the station. Now sit back and enjoy the ride.
Stop at Frontierland, taking Toontown and Tomorrowland.
Hi folks, come on in. Come on.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval World and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station.
Make sure small children are free feeders.
Trip. You need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. And watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans.
And as we approach New Orleans Square Station, remember to remain fully seated until the train does come to that full and complete stop. This is your rolling up to the advanced welcome everyone to the Bayou.
Come on.
Next up ahead will be Mickey's Toontown Depot, your gateway for Fantasyland and Toontown. Again, babies and toddlers need to be seated. Parents, make sure they are seated on your lap.
For those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a las pequeñas. Gracias.
We're now entering.
Please keep all hands, arms, feet, legs inside the train car. Do not stick anything outside the train car either.
This is where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around it.
Make sure everyone stays fully seated, please, while the train is in motion. Once again, make sure everyone is fully seated while the train is in motion. It's pulled away. Make sure to please do so in a seated position.
Stories of those in the Great River Valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months that were spent by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation who moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that were written were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of pier, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station from Mickey's Toontown, a cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the...
As we approach Mickey's Toontown Depot, remember to remain fully seated until the train has come up for you. Please stop. This is your phone to stop on the for Disneyland holiday. Be your friend, wife, Mr. Coast Wild Ride, 15th year journey.
Aboard!
Welcome aboard excursion figure on the Disneyland Railroad. For your safety, please remain fully seated at all times while the train is in motion, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Parents supervise kids, keeping them away from train dories if they are under 7. Next up ahead will be Tomorrowland Station. Your gateway for the Tomorrowland attractions, including Disneyland Monorail.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land
Make sure everyone does stay fully seated, folks. Fully seated, please.
to It's a Small World just below us. And off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Thank you. Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet bientôt et attendez jusqu'à son retour. Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated. Up the elevator.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imaginable. Here you'll find rocket ships and starspeeds, submarines and astroblasters, and look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
As we approach Tomorrowland Station, remember to remain fully seated until the train has coming up slowly and quickly. This is your first level in the Autopia. Finding you must have free voice, but while you're not after blaster, or for the Adventure Studio, the Astro Orbiter and the Highway and Highway. Again, don't stand up, number first, please. Welcome to the Grand Canyon Tomorrowland. Welcome aboard excursions right here on the Disneyland Railroad. For your safety, please remain fully seated at all times while the train is motion, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Parents prevent kids, keeping them away from train doorways when they are under 7. Next stop ahead, Main Street U.S.A. But first, we're going to take a detour to visit the Grand Canyon and see the dinosaurs in the Primeval World. For the courtesy of those around you, we ask that you refrain from taking flash pictures, using video lighting, or playing with light equators and accessories in the tunnel ahead.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con
today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the Primeval World, land of the dinosaurs. back to ride with us again?
As we approach Main Street Station, remember to remain fully seated until the train has come to that full and complete stop. This is your closest stop for the park exit to downtown Disney District. And all the wonderful shopping and dining Main Street has to offer. Be advised there are no ramps and no elevators here at this station, just a staircase. So you will need to carry any wheels when you're traveling with, like strollers and wheelchairs. Well, enough when you go down the stairs to exit. Thanks again for choosing.
Stop at Frontierland.
Thanks for watching Theme Park Spark. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about Disneyland and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time!